Welcome to Reachout.ai. As a recent study shows, the average person receives over 120 emails every single day. And it makes our email inbox, especially to your prospects or your customers' inbox, so it makes it a really crowded place and with a first name or text-based kind of thing. So this kind of personalization doesn't even register in our brain anymore. We need a new pattern interrupt. And the more you try to convince the prospect in a text-based format to jump on a call with you, the longer the email it gets, and the longer it gets, the more they're gonna think that you are spamming them, and and uh, uh, and basically you're gonna fall into the category of like everybody else. Now, on the other hand, if you keep the email short, the email is going. Not everybody has the time to jump on a call with you to explain to them what you do. That's why everybody knows that sending personalized videos is the thing to win the inbox and land more meetings with cold audiences. The problem is recording and sending unique videos for each prospect is extremely time-consuming process. And not only that, it's also boring and it's not even scalable. The way this technology works is based on 5 simple steps. Let me show you how it works. Now, not only you can use Reachout.ai for cold email prospecting, but you can also use it for a bunch of different other ways. We have a whole section here called ideas, and this way you can see the possibilities on how you can use Reachout. You can use it to collect and capture customer reviews, recover failed payments with personalized video emails. You can use personalized video emails to reduce no-shows. It all starts by adding contacts to your campaign. When you start a campaign for the first time, you can quickly add leads and contacts from the source by integrating your CRM and other tools, either by using Zapier or Publi. And we have an option as well if you want to upload your own contacts, your own CSV, and this is how it works. So let's go ahead and choose Zapier. When selecting Zapier for adding your contacts, you will be prompted to select or add some variables. These variables are going to be used for personalization purposes when crafting your video script in the very next step. So now, when you connect Zapier, you proceed to the next step. There are 2 ways to personalize your video. First, it's using an AI representative, as we call it, and you can select. We have a few of them here and a few females over here. But in case you are looking for some more, we have over 1,000 plus, and we are keep adding on it when you select Browse AI library. And you can select, for example, if you want male, middle age, and any ethnicity you want, even hairstyles. And then you can see here, you can browse and find your perfect digital human face that you are planning that is going to act as your brand ambassador. Okay, you can position this person, this human face anywhere you want. You can zoom out, zoom in, and next you can choose a background, and you can browse and select images, videos. You can select the colors. You can select anything you want. You can even browse anything and everything inside over here. We have over 1 million images, stock images and footage. You can even upload your own, of course. You can even upload your own image, maybe your office, and then you can enable the smart dynamic background. And this is very super powerful feature because it's going to capture the prospect's website based on the business email that he has. And if it's a personal email, then we have the intelligence to identify personal emails versus business emails, and you can have a fallback if it's a personal email like a Gmail, Yahoo, or a Hotmail, and you can choose the fallback over here. Next, you can type your script that you want the digital human to say. You can choose the voice. We have over 150 voices, male, females, any kind of accent you want, and we have even integration with when you go to settings, you can integrate, you can import your clone voice for third parties that we are integrating. Next, you can select the soundtrack. We have about 50 soundtracks you can choose from. You can even upload your own to break the ice. And if you want to transition as soon as the digital human finishes the speech, you can transition to any elevator pitch that you want. Next, we have the thumbnail personalization, and this is the thumbnail that is going to be shown inside of their email to capture attention. By default, we have this format of thumbnail over here. You can say, for example, hey, first name. You can even customize this part over here. And if you want something totally, completely that's for you, you can enable this button over here, and you can upload your very own image, maybe you holding a coffee. You can place this part anywhere on the screen you want. So this way you can have a different thumbnail, and it's 100% customizable. Next, we have another feature on the screen. If you don't want to use the digital human and you want 100% real videos with a spin of personalization on your very own video, you can go on backdrops and you can upload. Actually, a backdrop allows you to turn any pre-recorded video into a personalized experience by replacing the video background with your contact's website, any URL you want at scale, one at a time automatically. I uploaded the video, and once I select it, I can place the person over here. I can manipulate the size, and I can even manipulate the speech of this person over here. This is a beta feature that you can, if you have your own clone voice, if you imported your clone voice, because we support clone voices from third-party providers. On tier 3, we have the custom avatars, and this is an instructions of how the avatar, your own avatar, should look like. Here is where you can customize the landing page. You can see in real time over here. Next, you can personalize any kind of welcome message you want, and basically your viewers are going to see the message customized just for them on every single page. One prospect will see his very own message, and the same goes for the next. And you can upload your logo. You can upload. You can customize the background image over here. It's a completely customizable minimal landing page. You can say you can book a call with us, and you can link your calendar. This becomes completely unbranded page. And we have the option also to enable the chat box, and this is very useful if you want to ask, instead of asking them to click somewhere, you can tell them, for example, you can ask them, who is the decision maker in your company? Another one of the best personalization features that Reachout.ai has to offer is that you can deliver these videos under your own domain within your own website and keep things under your look and feel without having to create thousands of pages. All you have to do is just provide your landing page URL here. Next, we have the integration part. And Reachout.ai cleverly integrates into your workflow, so you don't have to worry about whether it's integrated with the systems or CRMs that you are using. It integrates with absolutely everything. Even if you are not using anything, we have the email scheduler that you can go ahead and send these video emails through your own SMTP. We support Gmail, SendGrid, Mailgun, and G Suite. And you can write the email here, and you can specify which dates you want them to go out. And basically, you can create a video prospecting engine that comes in on through automations on step 1, and we are sending them out on this part here automatically without even touching the campaign ever again. And you can control the how many daily emails to go out, so you don't burn out your emails, your accounts, specify time zones, and you can even add follow-up emails over here in case they don't reply. Another integration part we have is the third-party integration, that all you have to do, basically you select the system you are using. For example, if you are using Lemlist, you just click and select this 2-line of code here, and you paste it into your campaign in Lemlist or any CRM you are using. We support many, and the way we made this work, it can be supported with absolutely anything you are using. Next, for the advanced users, we have webhooks. And finally, all you have to do, because we selected the self-hosted landing page, you can grab this code over here, and you can place it anywhere in your website where you want the video to be shown. So every prospect is going to see his video on your landing page that you specify on step number 3 over here. Once you start and you launch your campaign, you can view analytics, and you can check how many people were added into the campaign, how many they visited your page, how many they clicked, unique viewers, the watch rate of the entire campaign, conversion rate, and you can see even by person by person, and even who visited and who viewed the video by tagging each